So this is the 2024 Canadian eSports Championship on Zwift. This is my first time dubbing over a recorded video. You'll hear in the background, you'll hear other audio from the streaming that was going on live, but that guy is covering 4 races at once. So sometimes he's talking about us, the 65 plus category, and sometimes he's talking about the other 3 races. Sorry, I don't have any way of editing out the other video, the other audio, but this will stop in a second. So here we are, 65 plus, starting in a couple of seconds here.
Gonna take off right from the get-go.
There's 9 of us in the starting. We can't see the other racers. We can only see the 9 65 plus racers. So you can see on the right-hand side, you can see 8 of us. There's Polsky, he's from Saskatchewan. Dupuis, 67, from Quebec.
Wow, Dawes is just like, see you later. Like, right from the get-go, Dawes is like, forget this.
I've raced against him a couple of times. 67.
Bruce Bird up on the top of the video.
Also
Not surprising.
Quebec.
All right,
And
so
then Wall.
up top, 35-44.
Wall is the
All together
defending
still. We
champion.
saw Taylor from back pedal making a move up front. Dawes off the front right now in the...
So this is just the start with the
45,
usual crazy start, but not quite as much power as that.
Xander.
That's wrong.
iPhone 3. Somebody's name is iPhone 3. You gotta love it.
Okay, we're zooming here. Here we are. This is actually the lead-in. We're going to do 3 laps of the Highlands.
Bird is just going. I think Bruce is
Highlands
on from the get-go here.
in Scotland.
What if we have
This
a
is actually the
cam
lead-in.
for him?
The lead-in, we actually go half the
Yeah, I
loop,
think,
half the course, just to
is
get
probably
up to
gonna
the
be-
start gate, and then we do 3 laps.
I don't think
from
Bruce is going to be seen again. I think that's the move. That is move for sure.
He's focusing on the guy front with left hand on screen. He's waiting to
there. The commentator's talking about another race there.
I think that's all the challenge. Good for him.
So
Gonna be
here
a
we're
race for
just
second. I
sort
think
of
it's,
hanging in the group.
Bruce is
Nobody's
gone.
going to go
Big
too
Don, big
far
move
at
coming from
this
HBL.
point.
Gavelis, oh, that watching needs to go way at the top. A little bit of a bug there.
That's the turn into Glasgow there.
Still
We
together
just went
in
by.
the 45-4.
I'm
Bird with 18 seconds off the front.
pretty-
That's the
well, I'm staying
55-64
near the
cat.
front, trying not
And
to
in
do
the
too much
35
pulling.
category.
In
Got a
hindsight,
little bit of a
maybe
move
I'd
from
go
Gavelis
too
here.
much, but
I got a cam from Gavelis? I don't think so. Reed. Yeah, I think we got a cam from Reed. Yeah, Rob
as you
Reed.
can
There's our man,
see,
Rob
this
Reed.
is
There he is. On the front right now. Put him over here. A little push on the front here, though, from Denelli, Rhino Racing.
I get a few plugs from this guy over the course of the race.
Good.
I'll try
Van
not to
de Grijn.
talk over him if
Van de
he's
Grijn.
talking about me.
B. That's going to be
Anyway, so
Brian.
this is the lead-in. We're just
A little
hanging
push up
together.
the front. Let's see. We don't have a Gavelis. Where's Goldenberg? Where is Goldenberg? That's Ziegler, isn't it?
We see
Isn't Brian Goldenberg the same
Wall
name as...
coming to the front
don't know.
occasionally, but
I'm
generally
not seeing
hanging
Goldenberg in
back.
the actual... Oh, there he is. Okay, found him.
Um,
Oh, yeah.
I find this pace is a little slower than what I used to see.
Riding for the V-Fox.
in a race like this last week. or even
Gives us the
same
thumbs up.
week,
There
we
we
were
go.
definitely
Liking it.
better.
Get the dub. He's playing it smart. Gonna get the dub. We'll see. Everybody else is like, no way, buddy.
I'm just looking at this. I feel like I'm at the front too much.
All right, here we go. First little kick up on the top here. Bird's got 40 seconds. It's game over, I think.
Anyways, I like this guy's name, Dupuis 67.
This one as well.
It's a nice French punch.
Let me turn the lights off in here so our green screen's a little whack right now. Taylor back pedal, a little bit of a move. Things getting more serious in the A-Cats. It's actually a big move here.
This
I think
guy's
there as well.
Ghostly,
B
on
category,
the right.
big move in the B category. District Lights with Dawes now on
He's
the move.
from Saskatchewan.
See what happens with the 65 plus. Lupus? Now toward the front. Let me see if I think I have a camera from him. Maybe. It's tough. Some of the names you don't know. All back together. Taylor was on the move, unable to make anything happen. It looks like. There we go. Fry. Okay. Fry family. Now I see. That's who this is. All right, Fry. I got you.
This is a
Level
our
90.
little
Who is this guy?
climb
Out
that
of
actually
nowhere.
comes to the official
Give you guys
start
an
point.
idea. This is Mr. Level 90 over here. Dave Fry. So Dawes is off the front again.
So that's
but I
that
don't think it's
arch
going
is
much anywhere.
officially the
65
start
plus
of
coming
our
over the
first
top. A little bit of
lap. So
separation
now we
happening
have
there.
3
A little
laps
bit
to
of a
go.
replay on that.
27 kilometers to go.
Another move. Van de Grind. Brian.
So I'm trying not to pull too much here.
That's in the
I'm
upper left,
trying
upper
to
right.
just follow
Brian.
here.
A little bit of a move
So
here
that
being
was
made.
our lead-in, which
He
I
comes around
didn't
going
cut
into the
very
forest.
much out of.
Heading toward postcard.
For the rest of
Taking
the
advantage of
race,
the
I'm
downhills
going
being the new uphills, as Dave Toll would say.
to come out and lead mostly just
Can you explain the screen?
highlights.
Not really.
So,
It was missing.
If you really want
I'm
me to.
trying just to
Like I said,
head
there's no
off to
production. We're just
Rosier here.
screwing around having fun right now. But
Like
yeah,
we
there's no
go
titles
over.
obviously or anything. I would put titles on if we actually wanted to do something serious here, but
De
So-
Rosier, I've raced against a couple
yeah,
of times.
I mean I would have to say it 50
once on
times unless
this
we just put
route
titles over the
and
top.
once in
But I gotta
this
focus
route.
here on
And
getting
he
good
beat me
shots.
by a
So
lot in this route. And I beat him by a little here. So I know him. And Wall, I know from Dupuis 67. I know these guys from other races.
yeah, the bird has fully flown. He is gone, absolutely gone. Holy crap,
he's going at
Bird
5.96.
is in another
W
race.
dude!
Yeah,
Bird
so
is
here we
absolutely
are
flying.
going back down the
Power,
backside through the
collision.
forest to where we just came
It's not going
from.
nowhere. Shut it right down. This
Heading
is some
around
dynamic racing actually here
Back
going on. I'm
up to
liking it.
towards the
Thank you.
point we started. Still trying not to go to the front too often. Let these guys pull, but it's easy to get some.
Is that Dawes again? No. Let's see if I can get a name on this. So this watching thing that has been busted. You see that at the top? I think that's Greg, if I'm not incorrect. Ole. Probably how I say it.
Skipped ahead a bit here. This is the sort of least of the 3 climbs. A little
All
bit
back together, coming
strategic,
down
but
into the
not
first punch over the
especially.
corkscrew area.
You see people
Gandhi.
trying
We're not
to,
coming down to that just yet. Soon.
put-
Not yet. though.
put in
Postcard
a bit of a
for
dig
the
here.
55 to 64. Alexandria on the
So,
front. Then we've
There's
got
also a
finishing up
place where you
postcard.
can
Taylor.
get left behind. You
back
see
pedal.
De Rosier pulling ahead. He's a very strong
Lead things out for the 35 to
climber. Up
44.
ahead
Van de Grind is still
there.
there.
And
Brian
I'm hanging here behind Sikorsky. We don't want De Rosier
in
to get away.
the 45 to
He's using
54.
his power
65 plus.
up
The
there,
first
so
is
he
leading
lays
things
my,
out over the top of postcard.
drafting power up.
Now it's going
And
to
so
be a
success.
counterattack in the
We're
65 plus.
still
Liking
over.
it. To level 70 kit, if I'm not incorrect. 67 years in the name. Looks like that's going to get covered by Zulkowski. Reed Bellinger's there, 3 seconds back. Van Sevenant, a little bit of a group forming back there as Bellinger looks to grab back on terms. So that's going to be a move moment. Let's go ahead and clip that. Big moves here. Here we go. To the front now as it's going to be at the front. Greg below again. Bring it in now as well. Huge watts getting thrown down. Absquay Finesse
Now
is backing
we're-
off down
this is
over
a
the
bit
top. That's the
flat.
corner that you
We're
got to watch out
heading
for. The Rhino
towards the
Racing man.
corkscrew.
Dawes is
There's
there
a
as well.
bit of a
8.4 watts per
descent
kilogram. The
here.
face. Oh man,
And
really?
corkscrews
These moves are
to
getting
four.
super serious if you guys can see these cams. Oh my gosh. Luke Chabot to the front, covering. Definitely a danger man for a national championship out here today. Luke, he knows his racing. Over at the lower left. Rider Ichan.
That was a
making
nice
moves,
one.
as that's going to be our
Now this is the corkscrew
65
climb.
65 plus.
Strategically
Rosier
important,
making a move.
and
It looks
sure
like
enough, you see De
nobody getting
Rosier going away.
Avery's
there.
off the back.
That's
Avery's my
his
man.
move.
Oh no.
He
Dawes
does
not
it all
45
the
watts per
time.
kilogram on the attack again. Non-stop from this guy.
And,
In the 35,
so
44
I'm
Taylor from back pedal on the front
just
again.
gonna
Making
chase
moves.
like
Looks like he's
crazy,
going to be brought back
see
in.
the
This is just a
power
little bit of
and
peppering.
then
Looks like up
up
front.
there.
That's
Using
finesse
my
now. Greg
feather.
Lou again. This guy's going to, I think, be the aggressor at the right moments at the right time. He's very experienced with her. Coming from AF for sure. Luke now over the top, 6.4 watts per kilogram. Chabot's there. Now on
And
the
now
attack,
we're
172,
back on
515.
the
Just make it hard. I think he's about to split.
descent,
I don't think he's
and it looks
necessarily.
like I'll be able to
This
catch up
is
to these
tempering. This is
guys.
like testing the pack, I think. I don't think Luke is all in at these points. That's my feeling on this. Testing, seeing.
And then we're going to cut
Making
across
sure that,
the
you know,
walk
light
here
races
and
are
head back up the hill towards the arch. Now here we are back on the little climb, back up towards the arch. De Rosier is just behind me, and Zulkowski, well, this is Zulkowski in front of me. So we're
Closing
just
the gap
trying
down
to
here with
ride
the Voyager.
this tail.
Liking this guy's setup here. Coming from the pain cave, it looks like. Looking to try and hang on.
So this is
Some good moments. Let's go ahead and grab that one.
this will be the end of the first lap as when we get to the arch at the top of the hill here, and then we'll head back down the other side and start our second lap.
Bird is out of sight now at this point. We're going to need to find him out on course, actually. He's so far gone at this point. There he is.
So Kuski gets up the.
We're going to talk about that as the 35s to 44s. They're headed into the corkscrew here.
now
Lucha went to the front there.
we're,
Dragonin downs as well.
Getting a bit of a
Bauer,
rest,
Davis,
heading
Ziegler,
back down.
Stewart.
Okay, now
Chet,
we're way down at the other end of the
who
course
is,
now.
Is
Back.
Johnson, Eurosports as well?
Skipped ahead.
Quite a few actually that have made this
Again,
front
we're
group
on
of
the
35s.
little climb.
35 to
Little
44s.
climb. De Rosier
So,
in front again.
body check. I miss anybody?
You'll
Taylor
see
off the
that
back. I'm really surprised by that. How aggressive he
there's
was early
only
on.
4 of us
But,
left here.
now back over
We
in
dropped
with
the other
Donnelly and the
5.
Rhinos as they come over the top of the same exact section. A lot more separation
So
here
it's
in
Solkowski,
the
DeRosier,
45 to 54. Donnelly, Dumper, Dawes,
myself,
Carol,
and,
Smith, Ulu,
Dupuis
excuse me, Karen,
67.
there, Optimum. So 7 here left. DeBorge off the back. There's a chase group. Brian Vandergrine's there, forward, Hamilton, DeBorge, but I don't think they're seeing the front of this again. Bruce Bird then, in your lower left,
And
has
there
been off the
goes
front from
DeRosier
the go.
again.
And he's got 1 to go at this point. And he's actually
that's
further ahead of every
Dupuis
other category at this
67.
point. 22.9k in. Again, it's a total of
Same as
31.9 is
last
what we're looking
time.
at.
I use my
And,
arrow boost
yeah.
to stay.
Third, game over. And then our 65 plus is the lower right. And Reed is leading that
So
out.
I'm
Followed by
leading
Dupuis,
for the moment, back to the
Zulkowski,
arch,
Sorosier,
backwards,
it's 4,
starting
group of 4
again.
there in the 65 plus. That's the situation. Donnelly continues to. What's interesting is like there's kind of some games being played. Like this is Fry here. He's behind at this point, sitting in level 90s with.
Now we're heading back down into the corkscrew again.
Gallus backs off. Maybe they know it. Maybe that's why. Maybe they're like, no, Gallus ain't going nowhere. We can call him right on.
This is where I get into some
right.
trouble.
That's your 65 plus.
There goes DeRosier and
Zulkowski
again.
This may get exact.
And I'm trying to get my power up to work, and I can't get it to work, and I'm not paying attention.
Zulkowski
And
from Kiel's
look
going
at that,
across,
I'm
like 2
off
up
the
race at that
bat
point.
at 4th and 4.
The Sorosier's continuing
So
on. I don't know.
this, now I'm in trouble. Now I gotta really put
Let's see.
some. So I managed to get back on the 367, and I gotta catch those other 2 guys. You see them up there.
Zulkowski takes full advantage of the attack that the Sorosier made
See,
and goes over the top.
Zulkowski is going by DeRosier
65 plus is getting real. I like it. These guys are racing aggressively at 65 plus. No holds barred here. Now Reed now coming back to this Rosier. He might get the advantage from this. Rosier now goes, 3.9 watts per kilogram. Time to make some moves. Need to bring that back. Meanwhile, Bruce Bird is flying the coop as usual. Oh, this is every day, Niall. This is every
So
day.
I'm
This is what we do every
pedaling
day.
my guts out here. Well, yeah, trying to catch DeRosier.
Moves
And
just
we're
as-
coming to the hill.
now, Bruce Bird, I think,
DeRosier
is
is strong
gonna
on the
see
hill,
again. I have a feeling. Donnelly now, a little bit of a push. Backs off.
but I'm getting close
Number.
enough, and I'm starting to ease up a bit.
They keep on trying to like sneak
Try
a
and
little here.
catch
You
my
can see
breath.
Fichette does a little bit of okay.
See my heart
Or they're
rate
just
at
that calm.
152.
Sometimes
That's
it's just
very
that calm.
high
Like
for
somebody just kind
me.
of gets a little bit of a gap. Maybe it goes again.
But just
That's our
see,
35 to 44 and on the
you'll
left
see
there.
that
Right now, see, this is what I'm talking about. He's little.
Zulkowski's
Hey,
got
really give me
6
something.
seconds
Give
on
me
us
a couple of
now.
meters. He's got 6 meters. Nobody's on his wheel.
There,
That's
I've
like one.
caught-
Terrell goes
caught
across. This is a
DeRosier.
one-second gap, actually. A little bit of, see?
I know,
Little
7
pushes.
seconds to
174 beats per minute.
Zulkowski.
Langevin is gone. Like,
And
he's actually
he's
off the front.
about
Nobody
to
really
go
wants to
through
make the
the
chase.
arch. So
That's one
this
of
is the end of our
I mean,
second lap.
Is he going to punch? Now, this climb right here, this will matter. This climb
And
into
he
the post
sets
car
another
is
PR, so
absolutely
he's
going
going
to
even
matter.
faster than last time.
This will cause separation, I think, in the 35 to
So
44
I'm
if they try and
still
jump across.
just
Langevin has to
a
continue
couple
on to really
meters
make
ahead of
decisions. Simply because
DeRosier,
Kevin Cabellis. This
and
is
we're
going to
heading down the
because
back
because
side
we are into about half
for
an
our
hour, maybe more
last
than that to go.
lap.
And I have a
See,
feeling, well, I think
Zulkowski's now
the
got
separation wasn't there.
8
So the
seconds
question is,
on
do they
us.
continue
He's
running? They all look at each other.
he's
So
still
this is nothing
doing
but
over
falls
4
back
watts a
all start, and
kilo.
because of that, they want to continue to make it hard, make it hard. But you're sacrificing a lot on the front.
4.5, he is
to do so.
hammering it
And
now.
that's a big 0.6. Now the response comes from Cabellis.
So we're working hard trying to catch.
Positive move here in our 45.
And here we are,
forward.
jump to the backside. Zulkowski is away from
Langevin
us.
now
He's got
responds.
15
Any predictions,
seconds
chat?
on
Predictions?
us.
I don't know.
Just
I mean, I
me
know,
and DeRosier now.
you know Luke Jabot? You know Barn
And
Horse?
I'm trying to get DeRosier
I don't know too many of
involved.
these other riders though.
I'm
Our I've seen from Coalition has been really
basically
quiet.
just
Everybody
riding
calms
his
right
wheel
on down. If
here.
they can see that this is most likely going to come down to a sprint, will there be a 1K
We have
go so
about
it's
3
across the
quarters
block?
of the lap. We see 6 kilometers to go.
There's Bird crossing.
Here we
Well
are
done,
around
well done to Bruce Bird.
at the
Taking
south
it down.
end again.
Get back to the rest of the crew.
And this is
They make their way
the
down.
little
Now we
climb.
we're going to do our
where
absolute best not
for
miss a
sure
single
DeRosier
move
is
here
gonna
coming to the
try
line. Bison
and
to the
lose
front.
me.
SWAT
For
team.
sure, I
162
know
now to
it.
11 watts. Now Fry goes. Fry with
So
a
I'm
big
just
move
gonna
here.
ride
This
his
is that
tail
1K to go.
here.
I love it. Risky move, and they all watch. Nobody wants
I
to
got a
chase. This is
feather,
great to see them. That pass
so
not very big back there, everybody. 6.4 watts per kilogram. Now
he
leaning.
tries
They
to
sit
go
down.
all
Power now says
feather.
go big or go home. Here we go. 9.6 from Power, but Coalition's now chasing things down here. About to get really interesting here.
He's
Game Fry now
not talking
6.4,
about us.
5.7. What does he have left in the tank from Fry? Up and out of the saddle. Can he hold on? Now the kick's starting to come from Power here. 9 watts per kilogram.
No,
This is
he
a
doesn't-
super drop.
DeRosier doesn't
Fry now
look
fading
like he's
as they come over
really
the top. It was a
trying to
good
go,
move, but not
but
going to hold
I
the
believe
jet now.
it's rather
With the feather
anything.
power, 12 watts per kilogram very early. He might be a lead out man, I have a feeling here, because it really doesn't matter once it does flat out. A ton of speed can be gained unless he can hold on all the way to the line. 11.3, 13 watts per kilogram. Ziegler, what a move from Ziegler. Ziegler, is he going to be able to come over the top? I think Ziegler's
So
going to
I'm
be inside
trying
the
to
entire
get
race.
a
Look
little
at Ball's trying to
distance
through.
on
Is he going to have
him.
enough
I'm
to the
not
line?
sure.
Ziegler,
I
no,
don't
oh my
get
gosh,
it.
so close.
I'm not
No,
gonna
there
get
it
away
is.
here.
Chan.
It's only a meter
This me with such a
between
small
us.
group. This
I
me being
could
able to work
have
out 2 and 2
got,
riders actually. They may work together to try and get this sweep of the back end of the podium. Now Arrow actually, ooh, that's a really early. He might
So
get that
we
little
got
bit here, but
4
the reality is sometimes
kilometers
you
to
just have
go.
to do
Here
it.
we
There's
are
nothing
heading
left
down
in the
into the
tank.
corkscrew
Closer here
again.
now, OTR.
I
Down
know
here,
what
teammate.
he's going to do.
Think
He's
he's
3
gonna be
meters
behind now. Chan now pushes
behind
off the
me.
front.
You
This is
watch.
for your
He's
second
going to
place,
go
your
like
silver
a
medal
rocket
in
here.
the
Guaranteed.
55 to 64 category. Chan, 154 beats
So
per
I'm
minute,
trying to pick up
450.
some speed a
Look at that
little
direct head
bit.
go. Good to see it.
Pick up
5.1.
some
I think Chan's
speed.
got this. No problem, Dave. No No problem.
And
Dude, Dang
very
sat
good.
in the
So
whole
I
time,
got my
too,
drafting
man.
boots.
Like,
I'm
seriously.
using it.
Like, that was really well played,
Chasing
man.
him
Like,
as hard as I
sat
can.
sat in, pop, right at the right time. Super game craft. Totally. And
And
I
it
kind of was
looks
wondering,
like
I
I'm
should have
gonna
named him.
be
I did name him
okay.
earlier on.
Looks
I
like
haven't
I'm
seen him race in a
okay.
while, so I wasn't sure. But
So here we are at the top.
just because we have the same power profile. He's
And,
also a good guy.
I'm
I
still
think Chan's
on
got
his
this. I think
trail.
Chan's got this. He's always been a really nice guy whenever I've interacted with him. He also streams, I believe.
Taking
Was he
a
live for this?
breather
Was he
here,
live?
letting
I
him
think he's
feel a
live.
bit. and then down the backside.
All right, well, Chan here. This is going to be, let's see.
We both have pretty
Chan, I don't know the
fast
rider
bikes
necessarily,
here.
but I may have information.
Mine is
about him.
a little bit
Chan.
lighter than his.
That's Albert Chan.
I have
It's
a
like, it's not picking up. That's too bad.
Scott.
Oh, wow.
He's
I guess
got
Dan Ziegler, he was live from
specialized
a shop,
thing.
actually.
We
That's
both have
awesome.
DT
Cool.
Swiss
Very cool. I
wheels,
bet you they were screaming for
not
it.
a lot of difference.
That's so great. Wow, talk about a cool community day.
Very
Like, so cool to see.
faster on the flats. Mine's faster on the hills.
Thanks, Josh, for sending me over links, actually. Say, Chan here across
So
the
here
line.
we
This is
are
second
headed
place.
to the last
Silver
climb. I got a
for
few meters on him
Chan across the line.
here.
We've got,
Got 700 meters
our
to go.
Galaxy
The
Alexander
climb
across the line, and
starts
Whole
here.
Shooter here for fourth. Bauer going to be coming across the line.
And so
fifth
I know
place
what he can do. So
in
I'm
this
trying
category.
to
So,
get going. You see,
Kolsky now
Zolkowski
taking
is
it down. It looks like
crossed
in
the line
also
already.
the
We're a minute behind. So I got
in
4
65
meters. This is
plus,
not
nicely
enough
done
on
there
this
for him.
guy.
All right, well,
I'm
we've got
doing
that's going to be all of our categories finished up for the
400,
Masters, everybody.
3
Sorry, I didn't catch Zulkowski.
watts per
He just came
watts.
across the line.
6,
So we will have
6
that
watts
highlights
per
tomorrow. We'll also
kilo.
shout out.
And look at this. He
I should be able to
shoots
show you
up
guys some
9
results
watts
here.
per kilo with a feather.
Now these are completely preliminary, everybody. Just so you know, like these are not official results.
There you go.
At this point, so just
Exciting.
as a heads up
I
there.
get 3.
But we can at least definitely show you Ziegler, Harl, Luke. That's your top 3. It looks like Barnhorst, Devin. This all needs to be given official though from. And I can't actually bring because.